YouTube. Welcome from Exactly Toy Review.
We're not doing exactly toy review. Can you say happy holiday?
Happy holiday, race car.
Happy holiday, race car. You know, I've been making so many videos of you. Oh no, he's gonna fall. You let him fall?
No.
Oh, good brother. Okay, hold it. Let go. Yeah. Okay. Hi, Zachary. Zachary. Zachary.
It's snowing, YouTube.
It's snowing. Don't lie to me.
No one's YouTube.
Oh, no one's YouTube. Ooh. Oh, look, a bee. Bee. Run away. No, bees won't hurt people. Because people hurt people. Come on, just turn around. I want to take a picture of you. Zachary. No, don't let him fall. No crawling.
No crawling.
Hey, 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 hey. This baby won't stop wiggling. Where's my ramen? Come on. Come on. No. Don't fall. Hi guys, just a short Christmas video. Just saying hello. Because I haven't made a video in such a long time. Right, boy? Frozen! I think this is one of the areas where you have to go by foot to enjoy the scenery and everything. Look at that. We went there. We went there?
Yes.
You wanna go again?
No. Okay. Mommy.
Dude, we're at the oldest restaurant in Spain. Apparently this is banging. Are we gonna check this out?
No, not in Spain. In the world.
In the world?
It's the oldest restaurant.
I think that's complete BS. All that for $4.50. You gonna try all this?
Mommy.
Takeaway. The things is really good. The shrimp is not really good.
Ah! Cool, now putting your pads in. Start on one side, slide that in, and then slide the other in, just like that. Should pop right in. If you're trying too hard, you might be doing something wrong. Also, please don't install it backwards. That side goes to the rotor. What the hell is this, man? It's like shit is flying. Yeah, go get a cook away from him. He's just gonna.
Happy holiday. See you next year, YouTube.
Bye.
And that is hungry hamburger. I want some hamburger.
I'm gonna get you.